being here. You know, last session, I passed a bill, House File 8, that was on the governor's top 10 bills because we recognize the need for our kiddos to have the resources at their schools that they needed coming out of COVID. Now, I originally authored that bill because of the struggles my youngest son had, where issues sort of manifested in elementary school, but because of the lack of school counselors, we couldn't really address it until high school. He just kind of kept going upward with no help. Now, of course, when we passed that bill, we could not have known what our kids would be facing after 2 months of occupation in our cities. And so I am so grateful for the people behind me for everything that they do for our kids every day. And we need to fund them, and we need to make sure that they are doing the work they are licensed and qualified for doing. So when they are doing administrative work or hall monitoring, they're being taken away from the kids who need them to do the work the most. And they will tell you their stories and their struggles better than I can. But just thank you so much for being here and honoring our school counselors.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm proud to stand with the Minnesota School Counselors Association and with the incredible school counselors behind me who shows up for students every single day. Right now in Minnesota, we're 48th in the nation for student-to-school counselor ratio. 48th. That's unacceptable. Frankly, it's kind of embarrassing that we're at the very bottom. Minnesota should be leading the country in supporting our students, not trailing near the bottom. Our students deserve better than that. And we must act in urgency to ensure that every child has the support that they need to succeed. Too many of our schools don't have a counselor at all, and in many of the schools that do, counselors are stretched so thin, it's hard for them to do their job. School counselors are not a luxury. They are essential. I know that because I'm a parent of a child who probably visits the school counselor's office way too many times. They're often the first defense against long-term academic disengagement. They ensure students receive support before problems escalate. They're often the difference between a student falling through the cracks or succeeding and having a plan forward. So the bill that we're proposing this year, I'm super excited to chief author that alongside Representative Berg. I knew that. This bill clarifies the roles of school counselors in our state policy. It recognizes that 80% of their time should be spent in direct service to students. That means direct support, direct connection, and direct impact. And this bill will set clearer expectations, a minimum, for at least having one school counselor in every single school. I was shocked when I heard that we had over 700 schools in our state that doesn't even have a single counselor. That is unacceptable. If we're serious about academic achievement, if we're serious about students' well-being, if we're serious about preventing crisis before it happens, then we must be serious about making sure that we have school counselors in every single school. And with that, I will turn it over to our absolutely amazing school counselors.
All right. Good morning, everyone. My name is Marissa McClure, and I'm an elementary school counselor within St. Paul Public Schools. My school has been significantly impacted by ICE enforcement actions, and I'm here today to speak to the urgent human cost affecting our students, families, and educators. In the middle of January, we had 210 students engage in virtual learning in our building. That's over 40% of our student population. Behind that number are real children struggling with displacement and fear. One of my students' fathers was taken by ICE. For 15 days, we had no idea where she was, no idea if she'd ever see him again. Our entire school community was in crisis. Thankfully, she has returned to our campus, but she is now living in foster care with no family here, separated from her father, grieving and attempting to learn. Our school has also transformed into a food distribution center. Twice weekly, we deliver food to families who are struggling to meet basic needs, a direct result of the economic and emotional devastation that ICE enforcement has created in our community. Through my work with the Minnesota School Counselor Association, we are hearing that school counselors in various areas across the state, like Wilmer, Rochester, and St. Cloud, are experiencing similar things to what we are here in Minneapolis and St. Paul. This is not a localized crisis, it is statewide. Our school counselors are overwhelmed. We provide trauma support, navigate foster systems, and manage family crises. We need support, resources, and policy backing. As the senator stated, we're 48th in the country for school counselors to student ratio. Please support funding for our school counselors like us. Today is Minnesota School Counselor Day on the Hill, where 70 of my colleagues and I are here talking with legislators about how we help support students. Please support us. Please support our students. Thank you.
Buenos días. Mi nombre es Ana y soy la consejera de Anderson United. Good morning. My name is Anna, and I am the counselor at Anderson United in Minneapolis Public Schools. I come to you today on behalf of our students, our staff, our families, and community members to ask for mercy for our students. Our students have been going through the psychological impact of 2 months of consistent chronic stress and fear. I also come to you today as an immigrant from Colombia, the daughter of an immigrant, who came here to become a public school teacher. And in the process of my participation in education, I have seen people get into this line of work because they love students, they love families, and they love their communities. Our students are going through a time right now where they're not able to focus on their education. In my background, I have worked as a neuroscience researcher. I have worked studying the effects of chronic stress on learning and how chronic stress leads to psychological conditions such as anxiety, depression, addiction, bad outcomes for our students. I'm asking you today to please consider supporting your school, your local school counselor. Use your voice to speak up on behalf of our students because they deserve an education. They deserve an education where they can play the saxophone, where they can learn French, where they can study advanced mathematics and contribute one day to this country that my family came here to be a part of. The land of the free, the home of the brave, a place where people can live up to their best potential. I would like to share a couple of things about our school at this moment. We had about 400 students go online, not just students who are afraid for their families, but also students who were afraid to go outside because real warfare is playing out on the street where they live and they can't go anywhere else. We had students who were emailing me, asking me if it is safe to come to school because they forgot to turn in their social studies homework. They're asking me to scan in sheet music so that they continue to quietly play the flute as they're staying inside their homes. Students are contacting me saying, what am I going to do about this, that, the third, because I don't have good internet service. And so our school has become a front line for mutual aid. Staff are staying after school sometimes till 10 p.m., organizing grocery runs, delivering art supplies, hotspots, Chromebooks, trying to get students what they need so they can pursue their education. These students are innocent. These students deserve an education, and I'm here amongst my esteemed colleagues asking you to please consider the children first. Thank you for your time.
We have time for a few questions.
Can you talk about how the bill will support counselors or recruit, or what's in the bill?
Hi, my name is Kaela Berg. I'm the advocacy chair for the Minnesota School Counselor Association. The bill, what it is presented as it's presented now, which we are thankful to Representative Berg and Senator Pha for authoring, is intended to support the role of the school counselors in Minnesota. Right now, currently, Minnesota has no state-level framework and very little support to clarify what our role is as school counselors. So what this bill will do is provide us with a foundation to say this is the role that we're intended to do, that we're trained to do. Our school counselors are very well prepared. They are all part of 60-credit degree programs, all have masters, all have significant years of experience working with students in mental health crisis, in college and career readiness, and in academic preparation. And what this bill does is it asks that there be a minimum of one school counselor in every school in Minnesota, and that the time that they're spending is 80% in direct services, instead of being pulled in different indirect services such as substitute teaching or monitoring hallways and things like that that are necessary in schools but shouldn't be the majority of the way school counselors spend their time, so that we can be doing the role of the school counselors, which is in academic, career post-secondary, and mental health and social emotional work. So that is really the foundation of the bill.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.